right, guys, today we're going to be talking about new strategy for affiliate marketing with no website, no funnel. This is going to be fun. So let's dive in. So first of all, you guys pretty know already at this point that how to get affiliate link from ClickBank or from anywhere else that you are affiliate with. So for ClickBank, you just basically go to marketplace and pick the niche that you want to promote. In this case, I'm gonna try to do the health and fitness because that is gonna be easy for me. I hit gravity. Then I'm gonna pick this one because I'm currently promoting this one. So I hit promote and basically click generate hot links, and this is the link you're gonna use for your Sniply. So basically, after you get the link, you're gonna sign up for Sniply, and let me see here. So basically, after you sign up, you're gonna come to this page, and then you're gonna create a snip. Since I already done it, basically, you just click the message, learn more how to customize your diet. So basically right here, you see it right here, and then say click here, and then it's my affiliate link that you got from ClickBank. So you hit snip. Since I already snip, I don't need to snip again. And basically after you snip, this is what's going to show up. And however, they're going to ask you on the next page what website you want to do. So basically after you hit snip here, this is a URL that you want to put. So basically you just pick Keto Diet to your Google. Then you will hit, don't do the ads one, just pick the first one of that article. So basically you right click and copy link address. Basically you click right here and bam, right? So this is what you're gonna see here, and you hit submit. See, I already did it. So see here, after anyone go to this link, you will see, they will see my name here, and if they're interested in it, just click here, and basically gonna take them to my affiliate link. So this is really quick and easy how to gain your extra income without using website, without using your funnel. Basically, this is going to save cost. However, this is case by case. The traffic gonna be depends on you, how many people that gonna Google search on that keto link. There is more than one place that you can drive the traffic. So this is one of the cheapest way to basically promote that your affiliate link. So thank you guys. If you like this video, like it, subscribe it, so you get notification from me whenever I have a new video or new ways or new tip how to make money online. However, before you go, I do have something for you. So if you go to, this is number one, I recommend it for people to start. What you're gonna get for 15 days, how to build a business online. It's all for everybody that want to start a profitable online business and doesn't know where to begin. This is for you. So you will get all this stuff in 15 days and for only $7. Start there and you will thank me later. This is bonuses that you will get for all of this $7 that you will get. So everything here for $7. All right, guys. And I always include the link in the below the video as well. Good luck, guys.